Hi, thanks for your interest in my project. I'd like to tell you a little bit more about it and explain why Petri dish funding is so critical for this work. Later this year, I'll travel to Brazzaville in the Republic of Congo for 2 months of field work with the International Conservation and Education Fund. They're a non-profit health and environmental communication group. They work to prevent the spread of diseases like Ebola and to conserve the region's great ape populations. You may wonder what the connection is between apes, people, disease, and communication. It makes sense, but we understand that human health, animal health, and environmental sustainability are closely linked. We also know that culture is very important in the messages around health and environment. When we understand the relationship between these things better, we can design better programs and projects. My project will also study the communication of scientists working in Central Africa, studying diseases like Ebola at the genetic level. They're tracking the mutations in these viruses and seeking to prevent the next global pandemic. These scientists also need to communicate with local populations in the places where they're doing their research. But we also know that modern science can clash or conflict with the everyday realities and urgent needs of people in the developing world. Communication research can help to bridge this gap. This first trip is a pilot project to allow me to meet key contacts and learn more about the culture and setting of the place that I'll be doing research. The research methods of this project are ethnographic, which means lots of time spent doing detailed observation, taking notes, and conducting long interviews with informants. Eventually, this time-consuming research does yield detailed data about people's ways of making meaning and of communicating about the world around them. This information can eventually help to design more effective communication programs. Many people have asked me why I don't just get a grant or get money from the Gates Foundation. And of course, these are great ways to support a project long-term, but grants can take months or even years to produce any money. Crowdfunding has the advantage of making the money available immediately. It also connects you, the donors, directly to the project in a way that no grant ever really could. By providing support to my research at this early stage, you can help get this project off the ground and that much closer to long-term funding and support. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support.